Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, sign up for our newsletter, do whatever it takes to stay in the know on all of our latest updates for this truck build here with our Chevy. We have another one rolling with the Ford, but today I'm extremely excited to name off one of the most classic and one of the absolute most needed additions to any vehicle out there if you don't already have it. It's a hood or bug shield, and this one that we have here today is made by our friends at EGR. It's a really impressive design. As you can see, their vehicle-specific layout perfectly contours to any hood based on your selections. It's built out of a really dexterous original equipment grade acrylic, so you're not going to have to worry about rocks flying up, cracking this, or anything at all. Trust me, folks, if you were here and able to see here, this is absolutely indestructible, extremely heavy duty. Among that, they do have two different designs. The Aero Wrap is actually a sleeker setup. We have the Superguard here. You can get them in both a nice gloss black finish or this beautiful matte black that you see before us. It's an all-American made product right out of EGR here. The designs, the build, everything takes place in the United States. So we love them for that as well. Only other feature, I guess, to really rattle off for you guys today is the install. Really easy install. Takes a few minutes. Anybody can do it. Tell you what, guys, if you have any questions on this or anything else from EGR or any of our trim accessories, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Customer service is ready and able to help you order, answer absolutely any questions you might have. Thanks again. I'm Nate here coming to you from RHRSwag.com.